How to remove text from Photoshop. So as you can see here, let me zoom in, that we have some text here. It's a kind of watermark, logo. The same strategy can be used. So what I'll do is I'll zoom out and I'll go to this option, clone stem tool. Now what I'll do is I'll zoom in so that we have the precise cutting. Now I'll select Alt plus click to select the area here. So as you can see, I have selected the area which I want to replace here. So you can see that as I am moving this, so I'll select from upper area, and when I will move this, it will be removed. So make sure you use the right part so that there won't be any blemishes. So it has been removed. So this is how to remove text in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.